Hi there! In this lesson, we're going to be learning the Christmas song, Jolly Old St. Nicholas. Now, the pages that you're going to get with this lesson are, first of all, I want you to notice the first page here. There will be a link here for this video. So right now, you'll be watching the link that's for this video. If your child is brand new to piano, this would be helpful. It explains what these finger numbers are. You'll see numbers on all of these notes here. So this gives them some exercises and a video explaining what those mean. So I'm going to take us straight over to here, and you'll notice, or I should have that back. You'll notice that on this page, we have a piano keyboard here. There are 2 black keys here, 3 black keys here. So if you notice on your piano keyboard, it will be a pattern of 2, 3, 2, 3, and so on, all the way up and down the keys. For this song, our hands are going to be placed on the 2 and the 3 black keys that are in the middle of the piano. So if you have an acoustic piano, usually it'll be right under the name. If you have a keyboard, it'll be the one that's just right in the middle. So this is the middle range that we'll be using. The left hand is going to be using the group of 2 black keys, and the right hand will be using the group of 3 black keys. These are the finger numbers. So again, if you need the extra lesson with these and how to make these feel easy to use, the link is for you on the other page. But basically, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thumbs are 1, pinkies are 5. And this is how we know which fingers go on which keys. So for this song, I'm going to put left hand 2 and 3, that's these ones, on these 2 keys. And I'm going to put right hand 2, 3, and 4 on the group of 3 black keys, right in the middle. So this is where our hands will be for this song, and they will stay here the whole song. They will not move. Okay, I'm going to go over a couple of other things in case you're absolutely new to piano. Left hand, right hand, right? Right hand, left hand, right hand. So when we read this, we start at the top and we go from left to right. Next line goes like this. And it looks like this because the right hand plays notes that are on the upper range of the piano. So this is up, this is down. So this will be higher, and we're going down, right? Here, down, down, up. When we're playing keys that go this way, they are going down, and you'll see that visually on the keyboard, in the music. And the next thing is, so these are our finger numbers. It tells us which keys to play in the right hand. So this would be 4. It would be this: 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3. Okay. The last thing I want to mention is you'll see 3 types of notes here. You'll see these black ones. You'll see these white ones. And you'll see these white ones without a stem. I'm not going to get too much into this because I want to keep it really simple. So you can think of these as short, 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 long note. Okay? For these white ones with the stem, you'll say long note. Short, 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 very long note. For these ones, you'll say very long note, okay? So that's the timing. If you're familiar with this song, you know the rhythm for it. If it's unfamiliar to you, then you can use that little code. Short, 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 long note, short, 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 very long note. Okay? And this is the rhythm that we see throughout the whole song. It repeats. So it has different notes, but the rhythm is the same. We have 4 short, 2 short, 1 long note. Then we have 4 short, and then we have 1 very long note. So on every line, the rhythm is the same. So I'm going to go ahead and play this through one time so that you know what it sounds like, and then we'll break it out together. Okay? All right, let's see what this sounds like. So here's my hand position. Left hand, 3, 2. Right hand, 2, 3, 4. Oh, gotta put my pages out. Here we go. So that's how the song goes. If you'd like to sing along while you play it, that's really fun to do too if you know the words. So let's take a quick look at this. And if you're reading this diagram, and if this diagram makes sense to you, you'll have an idea of how to do this. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to play just the right hand part, and I'm going to say the finger numbers out loud. And I want you to follow along here, and if you can, go ahead and put your hands on the keys and follow along with me, okay? So this is the right hand part for the first page. Here we go. 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4. So I just played this first line right here, and those are the finger numbers that I used. Now this bottom line here is a little bit more complicated because you have to think about left hand flowing into the right hand. So I'm going to go ahead and play this one. I'll play it a little slower. I think I played this a little quick. I'll play this one a little bit slower. Listen to it first. Say the finger numbers along with me. You can sing them. And then afterwards, go ahead and pause the video and see if you can play this by yourself. So let me go ahead and play this. We'll do it more slowly this time. Say the finger numbers with me. Ready, set, go. 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3. So that's that second line. As you can see, the left hand goes straight into the right hand. So when you're practicing this song, you might want to practice this little section here quite a few times. What you can do is on your paper, you can draw what I call a bracket here like this. And you say, I'm going to start here and stop there. I'm not going to play the whole line because maybe I'm really good at all these twos, but this part's really hard for me. So then you just do this little part. It would look like this. Right? So I just played that little spot 3 times. You can play it as many times as you need to get it right. Now, the great thing about this song is that you may have already noticed let me make sure this is all in the video. Once you learn this and this, you almost know the whole song, because this is the same as this. This, all the way to there, is the same as this. It's just that here's a 3 and here's a 2. All right? So to make it easy for yourself, practice this line maybe 4 times a day. Practice this line maybe 4 times a day and practice this spot here. And then you might take, if we're doing the brackets, you might take this little spot at the end just to get really good at moving to 2 instead of 3, like you're used to. And then you'll really know the whole song. You don't need to drill this part over here because you're doing it over here. So I hope this song is fun for you to learn, and I hope that you enjoy playing it around Christmas time. See if your family will sing with you while you play.